Hello everyone. Polls reveal that the ANC will be knocked to below 50% of the vote, forcing it into a coalition with the other parties. It is believed that President Cyril Ramaphosa was eyeing the DA over the EFF as possible partner. Zuma is clear that he will only work with progressive left parties and will only give the ANC an audience when it dumps Ramaphosa as the president. The former president spoke to the Star publication and said, "We will remove the ANC of Ramaphosa and liberate the people of South Africa. We recognize our mistakes." Here Ramaphosa takes instruction from white capital and not from the branches of the ANC and the citizens of South Africa. If we let this man continue, we will have nothing to hand over to our children. South Africa will be gone. The animosity between the former President Jacob Zuma and President Cyril Ramaphosa intensified when Ramaphosa's faction in early 2018 unceremoniously pushed Zuma out of power. The swords have been crossed since then. According to Jacob Zuma, Ramaphosa was instrumental in getting him arrested in 2021 and said, "I was clear I wouldn't appear at the Judicial Commission into state capture of Sondo while he was still the chair. I told the nation that I know this man, he won't be a fair judge to me. I have never refused to appear before the commission. In fact, my powers as president were trampled on when they said I couldn't appoint the chair of the commission, when the constitution is clear that the president should appoint the chair of the commission. I was later convinced by the Constitutional Court to a jail sentence. That is something that has never happened in history. We all know what here Ramaphosa has done. The matter of the foreign currency was illegal. There was a Section 189 inquiry which found against him, but the NPA, the Reserve Bank, did not move. His bank accounts are still open when the accounts of ordinary citizens are closed every day by the banks. We need the two-thirds majority and we will turn things around." Speaking on the court challenges with the ruling party, Zuma said the ANC was used to winning, that they thought recent cases against Umkhonto weSizwe will be a walk in the park. "I'm happy that the ANC derailed from its principle, as it gave rise to the MK party, which prompted them to behave in an unfamiliar way. When they heard that we were rallying behind the Umkhonto weSizwe, they took us to court and claimed that Umkhonto weSizwe was theirs. We went to the electoral court in Bloemfontein and quite frankly, there was nothing they were saying and they lost the case." Taking a religious tone, Zuma said Umkhonto weSizwe's campaign to take over the government of the country on behalf of the poor had the blessings of African ancestors and heavens, the heavenly angels and our ancestors who are long gone can see that it is now time for the complete liberation of black people. So if they are against us now, they will be so confused you won't even understand yourself. People who are against our ancestors, you are against the angels, you are against the Son of the God, and you are against God himself. The former president also said there was a plot to steal the elections, alleging that the plot would start during the special votes by adding ghost voters, and said, "You see, one of the many things that we will change is the thing of making one's vote a secret in parliament. Why should your vote be a secret? It's also important to guard the elections because ultimately we want to achieve two-thirds majority in order to change the constitution." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.